Bonsoir les amis, bienvenue sur Master French with Vidyansshu. In today's video, we are going to conjugate another IR ending verb, finir. Pronunciation is finir. We have done two IR ending verbs, venir and partir. It means to finish. I'm sharing the link of the previously completed IR ending verbs conjugation, and you go and learn how it is conjugated if you have not conjugated it. Je finis, tu finis, il, elle, on finit, nous finissons. Now remember, double S is to be used in nous form and the pronunciation is finissons. Vous finissez, double S again in vous form. Il, elle, double S in the last conjugation. In the third person plural pronoun, we will use double S. So double S in the three forms. Remember this. In negation, sujet plus ne plus verbe plus pas, je ne finis pas, tu ne finis pas, il, elle, on ne finit pas, nous ne finissons pas, vous ne finissez pas, and il, elle ne finissent pas. This is the conjugation. The pronunciations are fini. In these three conjugations, we will use the pronunciation as fini. Finissons, finissez, finis. The meanings are I finish, you finish, he or she finishes, or is finishing, we finish, or we are finishing, you finish, or you are finishing, they finish, or they are finishing. In negation, I do not finish, or I am not finishing, you do not finish, or you are not finishing, he or she does not finish, or is not finishing, we are not finishing, we are not finishing, you are not finishing, and they are not finishing. Remember that these three forms, there is a double S. The pronunciations are je finis, tu finis, elle, on finit, nous finissons, vous finissez, elle finissent. Je ne finis pas, tu ne finis pas, elle, on ne finit pas, nous ne finissons pas, vous ne finissez pas, elle ne finissent pas. So let's take up some sentences for the purpose of making you understand how to use this verb in the formation of the sentences. The first sentence is je finis le travail. Travail is the pronunciation. This means work. I finished the work. Second, tu finis Le repas. Repas means meal. You finished the meal or food. Third, piak. Third person, singular. Fini le livre. Livre means book. Piak finished the book. Fourth, nous ne finissons pas. Le cours aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui means today. This means cours, which means lesson, course, or class. We are not finishing the class today, or the lesson today, or the course today. Fifth one, vous ne finissez double S pas le projet. The pronunciation here is projet, which means project. The sixth sentence, the meaning of the fifth sentence is you are not finishing the project. Sixth sentence, les élèves, because of the liaison rule, S will get connected with this E. Les élèves ne finissent double S pas l'exercice. Pronunciation here is l'exercice, which means exercise. The students are not finishing the exercise. So these are the 6 sentences. If you found the content of this video helpful, kindly like the video, please share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel Master French with Vidyansshu. Please press the bell icon for getting all the future updates on time. Please conjugate these verbs in affirmation and negation, all the IR ending verbs, and share your sentences in the comment section. Atre, bientôt.